Γεια σας, καλημέρα, welcome. My name is Stalo and today I'm going to show you a little video of my arrival in Cyprus just a few days ago. At the same time, we will go over some useful vocabulary. Also, stick around for a tip on how to get a last-minute gift for someone. Here we go. Το νησί, plural, τα νησιά. Το νησί, τα νησιά, the island, the islands. At this point, we are less than an hour away. We fly over the beautiful Greek islands. Πετούμε πάνω από τα όμορφα ελληνικά νησιά. Πετούμε πάνω από τα όμορφα ελληνικά νησιά. This is Rhodos. Η Rhodos, Rhodes. Η Rhodos. It's the largest of the Dodecanese islands and the 9th largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. From here, Cyprus is a little over 300 miles. And now we are flying over Cyprus. Η Κύπρος. Η Κύπρος. Cyprus is the 3rd largest island in the Mediterranean. The city you see at the back is Larnaca, η Larnaca. Larnaca has the main international airport of the island. There is one more smaller international airport in Paphos. Η Αλική, the salt lake in Larnaca. Η Αλική. It's the most famous salt lake on the island. In the winter, the lake is full of flamingos, wild ducks, wild geese, and other birds. Look at the beautiful blue of the Mediterranean Sea. Η Μεσόγειος θάλασσα. Η Μεσόγειος θάλασσα. The plane is turning to get into position for landing. We are flying very low, very close to the surface of the sea as we are getting ready to land. We are almost on the ground. Almost there. And we land. Προσγειωνόμαστε. Προσγειωνόμαστε. Very smooth touchdown. Just a few minutes later, we are inside the airport. Το αεροδρόμιο. Το αεροδρόμιο. Walking towards passport control. Ο έλεγχος διαβατηρίων. Ο έλεγχος διαβατηρίων. Περνούμε από τον έλεγχο διαβατηρίων. Περνούμε από τον έλεγχο διαβατηρίων. All done with passports. This is a view from above of the baggage claim area. And you can see a small duty-free shop. There are more and larger duty-free shops in the departures area of the airport, but you don't have access to them unless you are departing from Cyprus. That's what makes this little duty-free shop so convenient for a last-minute gift or something like that. So have that in mind when you visit. Time to look for our suitcases on the baggage carousel. Ο ημάντας αποσκευών. Ο ημάντας αποσκευών. Παίρνουμε τις βαλίτσες μας από τον ημάντα αποσκευών. Παίρνουμε τις βαλίτσες μας από τον ημάντα αποσκευών. Το τελωνείο. Το τελωνείο. Περνούμε από το τελωνείο. Περνούμε από το τελωνείο. We go through customs and now we are walking towards the exit of the airport. These are taxi drivers holding signs with the names of people who have already reserved their services. Right outside, there are many taxis waiting to take you wherever you want on the island. We take a taxi to Nicosia, the capital of Cyprus, which is about 40 minutes away. Παίρνουμε ταξί για την Λευκοσία. Παίρνουμε ταξί για την Λευκοσία. That's all for now. Cyprus is such a beautiful country with gorgeous beaches, beautiful mountains, and perfect weather. Plan a visit. You will love it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας!